Hello and welcome. Today, we will practice easy English conversations for beginners. This video will show you short and long daily life dialogues in English, like conversations at home, in a shop, at a park, on the phone, and in a restaurant. These conversations are slow-paced and clear, so you can listen and repeat each sentence. Repeating what you hear, also called shadowing, is a great way to improve your speaking. Don't worry if you don't understand everything at first. I will explain some useful phrases and vocabulary as we go along. Just relax, listen carefully, and try to speak along with us. Let's get started. Scene 1. At home, morning routine. In this scene, Alice and Mark are at home in the morning. Mark is ready to leave, and Alice is still getting prepared. Listen to how they talk about getting ready.
Alice, are you ready? We need to go now?
I'm coming. Sorry to keep you waiting. I couldn't find my keys.
Mark, no problem. I found your keys. Here you are. Hands keys to Alice.
Oh, great. Thank you.
Are you set now?
Yes, I'm ready. Let's go.
Great, let's go. Have you got everything?
Yes, thank you for waiting for me.
Ha ha ha. You're welcome. Now let's hurry or we'll be late.
Tip: in English, when someone is waiting for you and you will arrive soon, you can say, I'm coming. This means, I'm on my way to you right now. For example, if your friend calls you to come outside, you can reply, I'm coming, to say you will be there soon. Host: vocabulary. When Alice said, sorry to keep you waiting, Mark answered, no problem. No problem is a friendly way to say, that's okay. Don't worry about it. We often use no problem or no worries to respond to an apology, meaning the same as it's all right. It's also used to reply to thank you, similar to you're welcome. So if someone says sorry for a small delay, you can smile and say no problem. Scene 2. In a shop, clothes shopping. Now let's listen to a conversation in a shop. Lisa is shopping for clothes and talking to a store clerk, salesperson. Notice how Lisa asks for help and how the clerk responds.
Excuse me, do you have this shirt in a larger size?
Let me check. Yes, we do. Here you are.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Can I help you with anything else?
No, that's all, thanks. Actually, how much is this shirt?
It's $20.
Okay, I'll take it.
Great. Please pay at the counter over there.
Will do. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thanks. You too.
Lisa began her question with, excuse me. We often say, excuse me, to politely get someone's attention before asking a question or asking for help. This makes the request sound friendly. Host: phrases. When the clerk handed the item to Lisa, he said, here you are. This is a common phrase used when giving something to someone. It's similar to, here you go. You can use it, for example, when you pass a dish to someone at dinner. Here you are. Host: vocabulary. Lisa said, I'll take it, after hearing the price. I'll take it means, I have decided to buy this item. It's an expression usually used when buying something. For instance, if you try on shoes and they fit well, you can tell the salesperson, I'll take them, meaning you will purchase them. Scene 3. At the park, friends meeting. In this scene, two friends meet by chance at the park. Sarah hasn't seen John in a long time. Listen for the expressions they use to greet each other and make plans.
Hey, John, long time no see.
Hi, Sarah. Wow, it's been a while since I've seen you. How have you been?
I've been good, thanks. How about you?
Not bad, thanks.
That's good. It's nice to see you here.
Yeah, what are you doing at the park today?
I'm just taking a walk and enjoying the weather. It's a beautiful day.
It sure is.
So, are you still working at the bank?
No, I work from home now.
That's great. We should catch up soon. Maybe grab coffee sometime.
Definitely. It would be great to catch up.
Awesome. I have to go now, but let's meet up next week.
Sure, let's do that. Take care.
Take care, John. See you soon. Bye.
Long time no see is an informal greeting we use when we meet someone we haven't seen in a long time.
It's like saying, "It's been a long time since we last met." John also said, "It's been a while." That's another way to express that a long time has passed. You can use these phrases with friends you haven't seen for months or years. Host, vocabulary. Sarah said, "Not bad," when John asked how she was. Not bad is a casual way to say pretty good or quite good. In other words, that you are fine. Scene 4. On the phone, making plans. Next, we have a phone conversation. Nina calls Alex, and they talk about going out. Pay attention to how they greet each other on a phone call and arrange an activity.
Hello?
Hi, Alex. It's Nina. She identifies herself on the phone.
Oh, hi, Nina. How are you?
I'm fine. Are you busy right now?
Not really. What's up?
I wanted to ask if you'd like to go to the movies tonight.
Sure, that sounds good. Which movie?
The new superhero movie. We could go to the 7 p.m. show.
Perfect. Let's do it.
Great. I'll text you the details later.
Okay, talk to you later.
All right. Talk to you later. Bye.
Bye.